guys, welcome back to another video, and you join me on my driveway, and behind me we have my modified Abarth 595 Trofeo. My name is Amber. Welcome back to your channel if you're a returning subscriber. If you're not, then please do click on that subscribe button and making sure you hit that bell so you're notified every time a video goes up into my automotive YouTube channel. So today we're going to do an essentials run. First time she's been used in probably over a week. The fuel light is on the last time I drove her, so I don't even know how much range she's got left. So we're going to take her to the fuel station, and while we're at the fuel station we're going to head into the supermarket and get some essentials. Yeah, you guessed it guys, the car is still dirty. I haven't set up like a home car washing system yet because needed extension leads and the jet wash and stuff. But now it's all sorted, just waiting to get a space outside our flat so I can actually wash the car on the road. So again, that'll be another video for another time while we're in this lockdown here in the UK. I will be cleaning the Abarth, and I'll video it and show you guys how I clean my Abarth because it's quite a strict routine. So I think that's another idea for another video another time. But yeah, let's get in the Abarth. Let's take you guys with me. Let's go. So first things first, I'm just hoping she starts in the first place. No copyrighting please my love. So yeah, you can see she's not in sport mode and that fuel is in the red, and there we go. 8,500 miles on her now. Let's give her a go. Cold start, here we come. Sport mode on. Right, let's do it. I know we're low fuel, let's go and sort this out. Here we go. As you guys can now hear, the car is now very obviously turned on. That sports cat with the Record Monza exhaust system. So let's hope I can get to the fuel station, get some fuel for this car, get some essential items, because we're allowed to do that here in the UK. They can't obviously stop you from getting medicines and getting essential items, food we all need to survive. So let's go and do that, and we'll do some talking in the car on my way there. So I'll speak to you in a minute. So I've just parked up in the Tesco's car park. I'm not too sure if the fuel station's open. I really hope it is, because that's what I wanted to do while I was doing my essential shop. So yeah, GoPro's also packed up, memory full, won't let me delete the full memory, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that. But let's go inside, turn the car off, let's go inside and then get the shopping done, and then hopefully the fuel station's open, because this Abarth is Thursday. Here we go guys, for anyone that don't believe me, Tesco's Extra. Now let's go. Shopping done. Again, just not a great experience shopping anymore. You know, people walk around masks, gloves on, trying to keep their distance, which is also all good. I think the petrol station is open. It just looks so dead that it looks like it's not open. So let's head to the Tesco's fuel station and give her a little drink. Right, fuel done, just put 15 quid in, because also I'm not going to be using the car apart from these essential runs. Cool. So guys, the Abarth is parked back on our driveway at home. So I went out for essentials food shop and got some fuel for the car. It's so annoying having these cars that you pay for monthly and they're just having to sit here on the driveway unless you need to use them for essentials like I did today. So frustrating, but the whole situation is so frustrating, I suppose, but it all gives us time to spend time at home, get jobs done around the house like me and my partner have been doing at our house. So hopefully in another video I'll be cleaning this car. So that's another video. I also put on my Instagram whether you guys would like to see a Q&A from me, and most of you voted yes, so thank you. So if you want to ask me some questions for my next video, comment some questions down below and I'll answer as many as I can. So it'd be quite cool to do a Q&A, haven't done one before. Again, these are all videos that I can do safely in my home environment. So yeah, I hope you guys are all safe and well. Sorry about the GoPro breaking, such a bloody pain. It's always my luck that I think I've got everything right, everything's charged and the memory gets full. What can I do about it? Nothing. So yeah, that was my little essentials journey. Everyone stay safe, stay home unless you essentially need to go out to get food to survive in this tough lockdown. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you like this little cheeky video. Give it a like. Do subscribe to my automotive YouTube channel, and I've got some more videos coming up in the near future like I just said. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Thanks for your time. See you later. Later, Abarth.